So you know what today guys, sun is out and that is what I'm saying. So I decide say you know what, I go out this morning, I have some breakfast, is what I'm saying. I have a proper English breakfast. So I tell you, you know, I go bring on with me everywhere I go. Everywhere. So you can see the vibes and you can know what I go on in the day-to-day life, is what I'm saying. So here, walk out the bus stop, get the bus, and we have got Frankie and Benny's. We have some breakfast. So I'm going to make up see what Frankie and Benny's breakfast we say. Eat a little review, eat a little dark about. And then after that, I don't know where else me I go cause the sun out today, isn't it? And the sun out, you know, in England, I can make use of the sun. You can't just see it in the yard. The sun out, isn't it? You have to be out and about. Yeah, man. So, yeah. Right at the pre right now. Frankie and Benny's breakfast. Yeah. There. I'm gonna jump on the bus and do that. So yeah guys, big up on yourself and stay tuned to reach Frankie and Benny's. Jump on the bus, isn't it? So yeah guys, we're on the bus now. We got Frankie and Benny's. I'm gonna try out the breakfast, see what I go on, see what it say. A lot of people that talk about it, they must say, oh, you know, it's a nice place, breakfast nice, environment nice. So we go around here, we have a look for ourselves, we have a seat, and we're going to see what I go on. Get one mistake, never thought it should, never thought it in them on the place, isn't it? So it'll be nice, or not nice, no, but no. But you know what, it might nice to me, and it might not nice for me, so let me try the food. Walk on, show them the food, and walk on, miss everything, so don't know how to see. So as I said, today is a nice day, and it's a day out, it's after Frankie and Benny's, even though I go on it, so just stay tuned, stay lucky, and see the world for lunch, so yeah guys, we come off of the bus, you know, and we decide to walk the rest of the way because you know what, the sun is out, the time is nice, the weather, all of that, so you don't want to think on it. So we are going to give you a little walk around and you can see what I go and look on the sky, man. Sky blue and pretty, and I normally get them days in England, you know, so it's when you get them time in England, you have to kind of make the most of it. You have to be out, you have to go enjoy the sun. You see what I'm saying? Even if you just have to walk up and down, go to the park or do something you can't lock up in a house, you see what I'm saying? Because you see tomorrow might be freezing, tomorrow might be cold, but even though the sun out, it's still a little bit chilly for your Jamaicans, guys, as you can see, I still have my pullover, I have my coat, my big thick coat, you see me? And I have about 2 more layers, you see me? Because so England's day, England always cold for me, but yeah, today is a nice day. Look good, the sun is out, but it's not warm, so we decided so we are going to come out of the yard and go do something. Now we decided the first stop is Frankie and Benny's, you see me? So we are going to Frankie and Benny's now, we are going to eat some breakfast, and then after we eat the breakfast, we are going to make you know if the breakfast good, if the settings good, what are going, what are the pre, and then after that, we are going to decide where me are going to do, you see what I'm saying? But yesterday I made a feel for some fried chicken and festival. You see what I'm saying? But I come, I see the sun come out today. We're gonna do some jerk chicken and festival instead. So stay tuned and see what I go on and see the whole of the settings. You see me? Because I tell you everything I go on, you're not gonna be part of it. You're not gonna see it and be part of it. You see what I'm saying? Guys, we just reached a complex shopping center, whatever you want to call it, and a whole heap of things that you have to do, man. You see what I'm saying? Look around. Okay? You have tipping point there, so you have a great Nando's right there, so you see what I'm saying? Bumbuckler, you have Dreams right there so as well. You see me? DFS, Big McDonald's, a whole heap of things are going around here, man. I swear there's a cinema around here as well. A nice big car park. So if you drive on that, you have a place can park up, you see me? Yeah. Nice place, nice little settings. So Subway up there too. Subway, Pizza Express. What if I think around here for now, man? A lot of things around here for you do. You can't boring if you don't come around here. Straight.
Breakfast? Yeah. No problem. Four, yeah? And then one on either side. One there, one there. I'll move this
Okay.
But it's just normal butter, yeah. It's regular butter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, can I eat off all of that now?